name is Stefan Schmalhaus. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking at 3 knives that belong to a famous French family of knives. The term family is more than suitable in this case, given the name of the knives. They are called the sons of-douk-douk. The of-douk-douk is a French slip-joint knife made by the cutlery company Cognet. It was originally designed as an inexpensive tool for the former French colonies overseas. The simple construction of the of-douk-douk made it easy to maintain. The knife consists of only 6 parts: a folded sheet metal handle, a spring that runs the full length of the handle, 2 rivets, a bail, and of course a blade. The 3 models follow the same construction principle as the standard of-douk-douk. There are only some minor differences. The knives don't have a bail at the end of the handle, and the blade stock is a little thicker. Plus, instead of the usual carbon steel, Cognet uses a more premium blade steel, namely the well-proven Böhler N690CO. The sons of-douk-douk come in 3 different flavors. The main differences are in the shape of the blade and the artwork on the handle. While the original of-douk-douk is decorated with a Melanesian mythical figure, the modern colorful of-douk-douks are centered around 3 different cultural themes. Let's start with this one. The handle is decorated with Moorish ornaments. The Moors were the medieval Muslim inhabitants of the Iberian Peninsula, now occupied by present-day Spain and Portugal. Ornaments like these can, for example, be found in the Alhambra Palace in Granada, Spain. In keeping with the Moorish culture, the knife features a yataghan blade. The second one features a maritime theme. The handle looks like an antique sea map with a compass rose, a scale bar, old sailing ships and sea monsters. The sheep's foot blade shape is characteristic for the Le Langre, a regional knife from the Burgundy region in central France. The third knife is a Japanese interpretation of the of-douk-douk. The handle features the famous print The Great Wave by the Japanese artist Katsushika Hokusai. It was published sometime between 1829 and 1833 as the first print in Hokusai's series 36 Views of Mount Fuji. The image depicts an enormous wave threatening 3 boats, while Mount Fuji rises in the background. Matching the Japanese theme, the blade shape is inspired by the famous Higonokami knife. Size-wise, it's fair to say that all 3 knives are in the same ballpark. The total length measures 20 centimeters. The blade length is 9 centimeters. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters. The weight varies between 68 and 76 grams. All of them come with a 90-degree blade stop. this video is not sponsored by Maison Lost, but if you're watching Maison Lost, get in touch. The three sons of of-douk-douk represent a modern and stylish approach to a classic French knife. Each of them comes with a nice leather pouch matching the individual size of each model. As far as I know, the knives are available exclusively on the Cognet website. One question, however, remains. Is the original of-douk-douk the father or the mother of the three sons? Thanks for watching.